Lily, a budding artist, created a YouTube channel to share her. She promoted her videos by posting and engaging with her followers. Slowly, views and subscribers grew. One day, a popular creator noticed her work and her channel skyrocketed, turning her passion into success.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your token avatar, and we are going to use three main tools. Number one is we're going to be using Bing. The second one, we're going to use ChatGPT, and we're also going to use Canva, and in Canva we are going to use a lot of apps to generate this token avatar. And what can this token avatar do for you? You use it for adverts, as an influencer. You can use it to create your faceless YouTube channel. You can use it to create your folktale videos. You can use it to do other stories, cartoon videos, and the rest of them. Let's go into the main business of the day. So I come to my Google, then type bing.com, tell it to enter. So it's out. I'm going to choose being image creator. So this is where we are, and every day they give you coin, 15 coins in a day, to use it and generate what you want to generate. So here, what I want to generate is an image, and I'm going to type here what I want to generate in this space. Describe. So after you finish typing, you click on create, which is creating. I instructed it to create. Okay, this is what it came out. This is what came out for me. So I'm going to be working on one of them. I think I like this one. I think I like this, and I'm going to save it here. So after I might have saved the picture, the next thing I'm going to do is go to ChatGPT. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. This is the link. It has opened. Then come here, and first of all, I'm going to upload the picture I want to use to generate my prompt for me. So after I finish typing what I want ChatGPT to do for me, I'm going to tell it to generate. Let's see what ChatGPT will bring for me. The ChatGPT have described this picture for me. It has described this picture for me. So the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the information it gave me, then come back to Bing, and paste it. Let's see what it's going to bring out this time. So this is all the image I've gotten so far. I like this one, and I'm going to use this. As you can see, this one is fine and finally gave me what I'm looking for. So if I still want to get more image like this, I've already saved this one. If I still want to get more image like this, I will still go ahead, go back to ChatGPT, come here, upload this particular one that I like, then upload this image. This is the one I want, so upload it. Then tell it to describe this image. Describe this image in a detailed prompt to create the exact kind of image. Make the prompt short and concise while capturing all the details so that I can paste it in daily to generate the image. So I'll tell it to generate. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Like this video, please like this video. So I'll go back to Bing, copy it, go back to Bing, and paste it. So this time around, whatever I don't like in this particular one, I'm going to also undo it. Let's see what the image is all about. So after now, I'll tell you to make it clear and bright. So let me see what my next prompt will bring out. So after I've finished downloading my image, I'll go back to ChatGPT and I will tell it to give me a story, a short story about YouTube content creation. Like what this one is saying, it talk about artistic centered on digital content creation. So I will tell it to talk about digital YouTube content creation. That is the story I want the girl to talk about. Generate a short story about YouTube promotion in 50 words. Generate. So this is in 50 words. Lily, a budding artist, created a YouTube channel to share her digital drawings. She promoted her videos by posting snippets on social media and engaging with her followers. Slowly, views and subscribers grew. One day, a popular creator noticed her work, shared it, and her channel skyrocketed, turning her passion into success. This is the story I'm going to use to generate our talking avatar. So let's go back to Canva as I copy this text. I come to my Canva, click on video, then come to app. This is my app here. Open my app. Come here, type Lalamos. Lalamos Studio. This is it. This is Lalamos Studio. So what I will do is I'm going to upload my image. Like here, they say your image can be in MP4, M4V, WebM, WebP, GPG, JPG, PNG, or GIF. That is the format that your image can be, either a video or a picture. So I'm going to use a picture. I will look for our adorable avatar, paste it. Then I've already copied my text. So either I enter text here, or I download audio. I don't want to download audio, it's text I want to use. So I've already copied it from ChatGPT. What did I do here? I right click on my mouse, then choose paste. Come down, look for the English I want to use. Which type of English I wanna use? English, or let me use English Kenya, then preview. After I've preview, then I can say generate lip sync video. Generate lip sync video is coming. Click on how to design.
Lily, a budding artist, created a YouTube channel to share her digital drawings. She promoted.
Then right click on the page and set as background.
Lily, a budding.
Let's play our video and see.
Promoted her videos by posting snippets on social media and engaging with her followers. Slowly, views and subscribers grew. One day, a popular creator noticed her work, shared it, and her channel skyrocketed, turning her passion into success.
If I want it to cover the page, I think this is better.